Hello students, in this video I am going to explain some few concepts based on slopes. So what are the things that we have to know to solve the questions based on the slopes and angle of inclination? So we know that we will use two formula. In exercise 5.2 we are going to use only two formulas. The first one is when the angle of inclination is given, we will use m is equal to tan theta to find the slope. Theta is angle of inclination, m is equal to slope. Then if two points are given, x1, y1, then x2, y2. If two points are given like this is A, this is B. If 2 points are given, we will use the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. These are the two formulas. This is angle of inclination, theta, line here, x-axis and y-axis. If the angle of inclination of a line is given, we will use m is equal to tan theta to find the slope. If 2 points of a line passing through 2 points or joining 2 points, if they are giving like that, like this, we will use m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 formula. So, and the sum of we are looking slope in different views based on the line. If two lines are parallel, their slopes are equal. If two lines are perpendicular, to each other in a Cartesian plane, product of their slope is -1. If two lines are parallel, their slopes equal. If two lines are perpendicular, product of their slope is -1. And so some questions, they will give 3 points. A, B, C. They will give 3 points and they will ask us to show that the given points are collinear. So in that case, we have to find the slope of AB and we have to find the slope of BC. If they are equal, we can say that ABC is collinear. And in some other question, they will give 3 vertices A, B, C. They will give 3 points and they will ask us to, these vertices is that these points will form a right angle triangle. They will ask us to prove these given 3 points are the vertices of a right angle triangle. So in that case, we have to find the slope of AB, slope of BC and slope of AC. AB, BC and AC also we have to find. Then look, we have to compare the two slopes. We have to compare these two slopes. We have to find the product of these two slope and these two slope and these two slope. In 3 ways we have to check their product. If any one answer is coming -1, whether product of these two or product of these two or the product of these two slope. If any one answer is coming -1, the product of any two slope becomes -1, then the given vertices ABC is a vertices of right angle triangle. Then they will give 4 vertices A, B, C, D. It may be different, P, Q, R, S, whatever it may be. So they will give 4 vertices and they will ask us to, so the ABC is a trapezium. So in exercise, one question is there like this. ABCD, we have to show that ABCD are trapezium. So if ABCD are trapezium, A, B, C and D, how it will be? These two slope will be same and these two slope will be different. Slope of the parallel lines will be equal. Slope of the unparallel lines will be different. So find the slope of AB, BC, CD and AD. Find all these four sides slope. 2 will be equal. Those two are parallel sides, and 2 will be different. So those two sides are unparallel sides. So one pair is parallel, another one is unparallel. So it is. So this is trapezium. So if they want to prove this sum, if they are asking us to prove these points will form as a parallelogram, how it will be parallelogram? These two sides will be parallel and these two also will be parallel. Whether it is a parallelogram, rhombus or square or rectangle, opposite sides are parallel, because all the rhombus and square, rectangle, all those things are comes under parallelogram. So opposite sides are parallel. So in that question, find the slope of AB, BC, CD and AD. So these two slopes will be equal and these two slopes will be equal. If two pairs of slopes are equal, they will form a parallelogram. One pair is equal, then another one is not equal, different slopes. So that is trapezium. So in sometimes they will give this as a parallelogram. They will ask us to find a coordinate. So we have to compare the slopes. We have to compare the slopes and we have to compare the x coordinate and y coordinate with the corresponding points. Then we have to simplify and find the answer. These are some of the key introduction about slopes in exercise 5.2. So if you are familiar with this concept, definitely we can get good marks in this concept. We should have this understanding to solve the questions which is given in exercise 5.2.